Good morning, students. Good morning. So today we are going to see the activity from soil our life. Activity 4 we are going to observe soils from different places. So you have collected different soil from different places. Now we are going to see the properties of the soil. So here the students have brought different soils from the different places. Now we will see the soil from where they have got. So this is the soil from?
I got it from school road.
School side road. Okay. This is?
I got it from agriculture field.
Okay, agriculture field. This one?
I got it for agriculture field.
From agriculture
I
field.
got it from river.
River. Okay.
I got it from school garden.
School garden.
I got it from school ground.
Ground. This is from the playground. So here we can see soils from different places. The students have brought soils from different places. Now we are going to see the properties of the soil. So keep it in a line here. Now we will check the properties of the soils, each one. Here in activity 4 we have a table. See, here is a table where you can see first one, what is it? Shape of the particle. See, here we can see the soils. Here we can see 5. How many soils are there? 5. 6
soils.
So 6 soils from different places. So firstly, when you check the shape of the particle, it is granular in nature. Yes?
Yes.
It is some
Granular.
little small size. And here also, this is also granular. The particle size is smaller and bigger. Here also you can see smooth and granular. Here also some pebbles are there. Here the sandy soil, it is having porous particle size. Okay. Next, color of the soils. Are the color of the soils, all the soils having same color or different color?
Different colors.
Different colors. We can see soils with different colors. Here you can see what is the color of the soil?
Red in color.
Red in color.
Black in color.
color.
Some red in color.
So some of the soil are red in color and some are brownish and dark brown and black in color. Black soil, red soil, okay, and sandy soil you can find here. Next, how it feels. When you look at the soil, when you touch it, some of the soil they are smooth and some of the soils they are granular in nature. See, when you touch it, you can feel that some of the soils they are porous. They are porous in nature and some of the soils they are very smooth to touch. Okay, smooth in nature. Next, the smell of the soil. When you look at the smell of the soil, some of the soil they are pleasant to smell. Pleasant means we can feel it. Okay. Next, some of the soils they are foul in smell, bad smell.
Yes,
like
ma'am. Yes,
ma'am. So, next, how it looks under a microscope. When you observe the soils under the microscope, you can see a small microorganisms where they cannot be seen with our eyes. So small organisms which we cannot see with our eyes, we can see under the microscope. So here using a magnifying, this is a magnifying
Glass.
lens or glass where you can see the size of the particle. It is bigger. When you see using the magnifying lens, you can see the size of the soil. With this. Okay. Next, organisms present. So you can find different organisms in the soil.
Yes,
like as a home, as a habitat, soil is also acts as a habitat. Small insects are also present, ants are present, worms are present,
Bacteria also present.
bacteria, microorganisms are present in the soil. Yes? Can you see small organisms in the soil?
Yes, ma'am.
Small, they are also acting as a, soil is also acting as a home. Next, remains of organisms. The small organisms, they also excrete in the soil. So you can find the remains of organisms in the soil. So next is type of soil. Here red soil, sandy soil, black soil, all these are the different types of soils. Next, moisture content. Moisture content means the water, some of the soils they absorb the water much. So some of the soils they absorb the water less. Like sandy soil, when you see, look at it, it is very dry. When you see the soil, black soil or red soil, you can find they are moist in nature.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
is watery. Water content is present in the soil. And next, water retention and percolation rate. That means the absorbing capacity, water absorbing capacity and water leaving capacity is percolation. So we'll see this one activity. And whether the soil is acidic or
Base.
alkaline.
Yes.
Alkaline means basic. So whether the soil is acidic or basic, we'll test using the pH paper. So here this is the pH paper where we can test using the pH paper whether it is acidic or basic in nature. Okay, like this we can test. Now we'll see the water retention and percolation rate of the soil. Okay children. Okay, so here we can, with the help of glass funnel, this is called as the glass funnel. This is the glass funnel used for filtration. So in class 6 we have studied about different separation methods. Here with the help of glass funnel we can use the filtration method. So here this is the filter paper wherein we have to first make it into a 4-fold. Like this we have to make it into 4 folds and put the paper in the filter glass funnel. Okay, now what we will do, we'll take any type of soil. Here different soils we can see. Here soil, you show the soil. So here different type of soils are there. First what we'll do, we'll take one soil. Firstly we can take black soil. Here this is black soil. Some amount of black soil we will take in the filter paper and put it in the glass funnel. Now with the help of measuring jar, this is the measuring jar or measuring cylinder where we can measure the liquids. Here I have taken 20 ml of water. 20 ml of water I have taken in the measuring jar and now I am pouring it into the soil. See, now slowly you can see the water droplets, they are coming down. Yes, you can see small amount of water, drop by drop it is coming down from the soil. Here you can see, here you show this. So I have poured how much amount of water? 20 ml of water into the soil. We will see how much of water will come down. So how much of water will come down, we will measure. Okay, that will be the percolation rate of the, we will calculate how much of water is coming down, it is the percolation, and how much of water is retained by the soil, that is called as retention. Retention means the water holding capacity of the soil is called retention. The water which is coming down from the soil, it is called percolation. Okay, we will calculate how much time it has taken. We will check. We have kept it. We will keep this aside. After all the water will come down, we will calculate the percolation rate. Okay. So here now we will see the retention and percolation. So we have kept it aside for some time. Now you can see all the water has drained from the soil. All the water, it has come down into the beaker. Now we will measure how much of water has come out and how much of the water is retained by the soil. Now we can see the percolation. Absorbed 6 ml of water. The water which came out from the soil, it is 14 ml. Now we can calculate. For 5 minutes we have kept it aside.
Yes, ma'am.
So for 5 minutes 14 ml of water has come out. So this is called as percolation rate. So this is called as percolation rate.